Hi, hello, welcome. This is a tutorial on how to stake your Findora tokens for a roughly 20% yield annually. A quick disclaimer, this video is for those of you who have already bought Findora on an exchange and withdrawn it, meaning you have it in your MetaMask wallet. That being said, let's get started. Alright, so you have your Findora tokens in your MetaMask wallet, and the first thing you're going to want to do is go to findora.org and hit enter. Now, from here, we're going to head over to use Findora and click the wallet. We're going to download the wallet. It supports Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and APK. I use Windows, so I'm going to download that like this. Once it is done installing, you're going to click it. You might get this pop-up from Windows. It is totally fine. Click more info and then run anyway. And then you can choose how to install it. I'm going to do it like this. And then run Findora wallet and finish. Once you open the wallet, you should be hit with a screen like this. You make a password for yourself, don't share this with anyone, and then you click confirm. Here you have the options between creating and importing a wallet. We are going to create a new one. So we click this. Here is your 24-word key phrase. Don't share this with anyone and write it down and keep in a secure location. Once you have written down your key phrase, please click this button and then go to next. You'll be asked to verify that you have written it down, and once you've done that, you can click verify. Now you have your wallet created and we can move on to the next step. Next up, we want to move our MetaMask FRA over to the native chain. How we do this is using the Prism bridge. We swap this over here from the EVM compatible wallet over to the native wallet. Then you want to hit select wallet, add wallet, and as you can see, we're going to need a private key. So we head over to our browser, you click the MetaMask, the three dots on your account details, and then export private key. Now you're going to have to type in your password as this is not info you should share with anyone. So again, please don't share this private key with anyone. You copy it, click done, and then you head back into your Findora wallet. You paste the private key in, and then you can optionally choose to save my private key in the Findora wallet client. I'm not going to do that. Just to be safe, you hit confirm, and then you need to paste a wallet here. So we click this address thing, and then we choose our wallet from here. Then you choose how much you want to transfer. I apparently have 99.99, so I'll be transferring that much over. You click next, and then you hit submit. And we're done. Click done. If you check your wallet now, you should be seeing the Findora here. Now that we have the Findora tokens in our native wallet, we head over to the staking page, where you can see there is a current 20% APR on all staked Findora. You click the stake button, and then select how much you want to stake. I'll stake 95 FRA, and then you have to select a validator. Now you can choose the commission rate anywhere from 0 to 100%, and also see how much is in total staked on the validator. I'm going to scroll down and find the villain validator, as that is a validator that I personally support. You can of course choose anyone you'd like, but I recommend this guy. Then we hit stake. You get a quick reminder and then you click OK. As you can see, there is a 3-week unbonding period, so please be careful with the amount before you stake. Once you've read it, click OK. And after 15 seconds, our transaction is done. Now, it could take a second to refresh, but after a quick second, you should be able to see your staked Findora here. And as time goes on, you'll also see your unbonding if you are currently unstaking anything, and also your unclaimed rewards here. So there you have it, a hopefully quick and easy to follow tutorial on how to stake your FRA. I've also made another 60-second short explaining what Findora is if you don't know already, so feel free to check that out as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below the video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.